The butler did it. The phone rings in the dining room. James stops work and answers it.
Hello?
Hello. Is that James, the butler?
Yes, sir, it is.
James, is my wife at home?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you bring her to the phone? I want to speak to her at once. Be quick.
Very good, sir. So you want me to bring your wife to the phone. Is that right, sir?
Yes, James. Now just go and do it. My wife's got a lover, I think. But I must know. What's James doing? And where's my wife?
Hello, sir. James speaking.
Hello, James. So where's my wife?
Your wife is at home, sir, but she can't speak to you at the moment, I'm afraid.
She can't speak to me? My wife can't speak to me? Why not?
Well, sir, she's in the bathroom.
In the bathroom?
With a man.
With a man?
But don't worry, sir. It's only Mr. Blessyou, the plumber. He's working in the bathroom.
She's in the bathroom with her boyfriend. I knew it. James, can you do something for me?
Of course, sir.
Go into my bedroom and find the box under my bed. In that box, there's a gun. Take it out, James.
Very good, sir. You want me to go into your bedroom, find the box under your bed, and take out the gun. Is that right, sir?
Yes, James, yes. Just go and do it. I knew it. My wife's got a lover. But soon James is going to come back with that gun, and then...
Hello, sir. James here.
Hello, James. Have you got the gun?
Yes, sir. I went into your bedroom, found the box under your bed, and took out the gun. I have it with me now, sir.
Right, James. Now listen carefully.
I'm listening very carefully, sir.
Go into the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
With the gun.
Yes, sir.
And shoot my wife through the head.
Yes, sir.
And the man in the bathroom with her, James. Shoot him through the head too.
Bless you, sir.
Thank you, James. Now, James, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir. You want me to go into the bathroom with the gun, shoot your wife through the head, and shoot the man with her through the head too, sir.
Bless you, James.
That's right, sir.
Very good, James. Well, just go and do it. Ha! Good old James. Well done.
Hello, sir. Did you hear the shots, sir?
Yes, James, I did. Is everything all right?
Oh, yes, sir. I went into the bathroom with the gun, and I shot your wife through the head, and I shot the man with her through the head too.
Bless you, James.
That's right, sir.
Right. And are the two of them dead, James?
Oh, yes, sir.
Very good, James. Oh, and James?
Yes, sir.
What did you do with the gun?
The gun, sir.
Yes, James, the gun. What did you do with it?
Ah, yes, sir. I put it in the swimming pool.
The swimming pool, James?
The swimming pool in the back garden, sir.
But we haven't got a swimming pool in our back garden.
Oh, I see. Well, then, you've got the wrong number, I'm afraid, sir. Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Bodlum, 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 bodlum.